Greeting everyone. In this video I will show you how to enhance the quality of the picture of like your old parents or your grandfather, grandmother, or something that you find as picture but you want to optimize it to make it better with AI. All what you need to do, guys, getting the picture. In my case I will have this tiny pixelized picture. I just go copy the picture and then I will go for Gemini, go for the first link, and here the most important part, which is so first I will need to have something here, which is the prompt itself. So I'm gonna be using this prompt. So all what you do, guys, so you just go for the create image, just ignore this step, go for plus, I agree, and here I gonna be copy paste picture, and I have a prompt, this one. You will find it in the description. Just copy paste with the old picture, then go for the next phase. So I will skip this time, guys, to win the time consuming for the video, and I will come back to the result. Coming back. So guys, actually from this quality to this insane enhancement quality of the picture, you have the 4K quality, you have the enhancement of the face, the output quality. That's it. How to get it? All we need to do is just right click, then save the picture as to get the picture. I hope you like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and peace.